everyone, it's Hanny again with my book, and well, I want to finish the cover today. The last time in part 2 I glued this on. It sticks. Come on. No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So I glued this on with double-sided tape, but it shrunk, you see? So I have to do something about that. And I saw this is a bit damaged. So I'm going to repair that. Well, it's not really repairing, disguise it, because I want to do something with the spine too, of course. So I searched in my stash for some things, and I found a lot of things. I found all kinds of small band, lace, not really, but how do we call that? Yeah, you can see what it is. And I thought, well, what can I use to cover this up? Well, I thought maybe this. It's the right color, but well, let's see it. See it this way. No, it's a bit too. No, I don't like that. And then I had this. I thought, well, maybe that's something. Well, it can. It's possible. And I found this. A very small piece of ribbon. Ribbon? Was that the word? Just like this. And I think I like this because it's black and I have to do something with that. So I could use some gold maybe with this, but I don't know. I found this. I thought, well, maybe I could do something with this on top and bottom, or the whole spine. Don't know. I found this sort of Christmas thingy, but then I thought, well, maybe black. And I have some black lace, so I could use this. Maybe. Can you see it? Yeah. With this. Well, glitters. I think I like that. And I have some more lace. I have this one. It could like that too. But I like the other one more. And I have this piece. This one. No, I think I'm going for this one. So I'm going to glue this on here and this on here. And maybe I do something with this, well, another time, in another way. And I found this piece. And I thought, well, maybe I could use that as a hat and a tail band in the book. So maybe I'm going to use this, and the ornament, maybe an ornament here, maybe something like this in the middle. But maybe I'm going to do that later. I can't bend it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this one, and maybe this one later, and maybe the ornament. And then I have the inside of the book. I cut a piece of cardboard, a bit smaller as this piece, a bit shorter and a bit smaller in width, and I'm going to glue that on here on the spine. And I think I'm going to glue something over here, maybe some tape, maybe another piece of the fabric, to cover this up. And then when I make the signatures, I want to cover this up with this way, a piece of this on the cover and the other piece on the last signature. But well, this paper is too small. It's too small. Even this is A4, a little bit smaller than a letter, and 2 A4 is an A3. I have A3s, but that's too small too, you see. And I want something bigger, so I thought, well, I have wallpaper. At first I thought, well, let's do a piece of 12 by 12. That's big enough, you see. And I like this piece, but well, I can partly glue it on the last spine, so it's an option. I can do that, but I have wallpaper too, a lot of wallpaper. Well, and that could fit too. It's big enough, and I like it too. And when I close the book, well, it fits the book. So I think I'm going to use the wallpaper. Well, I'm not thinking it, I know it. I'm going to use the wallpaper. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm starting with the inner side of the spine, and when I'm done with that, I'm not gluing this on yet because I don't have the spine yet, but I'm going to cut the pieces in the right size. That's what I'm going to do. And when I'm ready with that, I'm going to do the outside of the spine. So I speed it up, and I hope you enjoy part 3. So I let it dry now. It's a bit fragile, so I let it dry, and turn it around. I think when it's dry, I want to I will cut these pieces off. Yeah, I like the spine this way. I hope you can see it. And I like it this way. And I was thinking, shall I glue this on or shall I do that later? I always can, but I think I'm going to do this. I like that. Yeah. Well, oh yeah, I got from a friend of mine, from Melissa, she makes dollhouse furniture. I will leave a link in the description to her website, and she lasers well, furniture and all kinds of things. And she gave me this one a while ago, and I love it very much. It's wood, it's lasered, and I thought, well, maybe I can, book of spells it says, maybe I could use it there, but it's a bit too small, so I'm not sure about that. But maybe I could use it on the spine though. Yeah, I could do that. So I tried to bend the spine a bit more, but I have to practice on that. There must be a way to do that in the right way, so you don't fold the spine but round it. But well, I'll let it dry first, dry well, because I will damage it when I don't. So that's it for today. The spine I will do the next time. Not the spine, the signatures I will do the next time. And I hope you will join me then again. Thank you for watching. Bye.